Now बच्चे session 4 desktop of Windows and Linux. This is the desktop of Windows and Linux. Above is a label diagram containing the elements of a typical Windows 7 desktop. This is the desktop of Windows 7 Ultimate. This shortcuts. These all are the shortcuts. बच्चे where? See here, blue sign. This one. Blue symbol, blue arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where this blue arrow will come, these all are the shortcuts. These all are the shortcuts. See here बच्चे, where written shortcuts, blue arrow came. Next is start button. I told you start button, where from where we start all the programs. See here, last line of desktop, where written start, this is called start button. Clear बच्चे? Next is program button. Program button means if you are opening a program. See here W. W means MS Word. Now see on screen. Click on start button, where W, this is W. W means MS Word, Microsoft Word. See here बच्चे, window explorer means this window, and W, program button means which program opens now? MS Word. This is now W. Next is taskbar. This last line is called taskbar. See here, taskbar. Next is notification area. बच्चे, this is called notification area. Here all notifications. See here, time, date, volume, wallpaper, these all are the notifications. That is called notification area. Next, show desktop button. This one. See here, this one. Show desktop button. Now removed. Again, when you click on this button, show desktop, then this window will remove. See here, I am clicking on desktop button. Show desktop means now showing desktop. Clear बच्चे? This is the desktop of Windows and Linux. Next is menu bar. Menu bar, upper side menu, that is Linux desktop. This one is Windows desktop and this one is Linux desktop. Now in this computer Linux software is not there, that's why I am telling you on book. See here, menu bar, I told you where upper side menus are there, file, edit, insert, that is called menu bar. See here, first line menu bar, and now upper side time coming बच्चे, Wednesday Jan 19, Wednesday Jan 18 or 19 maybe, 7:54 PM. That is called clock, where date and time coming. Next one is notification area. Notification area बच्चे, on Windows screen notification area is downside and on Linux operating system upper side notification area. Okay, this gives us notifications. Next, desktop icons. Desktop icons here left side and on Linux right side. Next one is desktop. Desktop, you know, this screen is called desktop and this screen is also called desktop. Now session 4 finished. Next session, files and folder. What is the meaning of files? But I am telling you just meaning. Files and folder File means any file, and file in one file song, pic, photo, music, anything. Files are used to store information. You know बच्चे why we use file? Files are stored to information of a computer system. File is larger in size if the information stored in it's larger. Clear? If you will store large information, then your file is larger. Often enough, not just data is stored in a file. Formatting instructions may also be present. For example, a notepad file store primarily the data only and only a little bit of formatting. See here बच्चे, suppose I am clicking on start button. MS Word, click on file. These all are files. In file can be anything, song, image, document, any. That is also called file, single file. Suppose folder. What is the meaning of folder? This yellow symbol. This is called folder. Suppose I am clicking on open. Clear? In one folder many files are there. In one folder you can store many files are there. Suppose apart from that file, files are usually organized using folders. Folders act as delimiting points to store multiple files. But in one folder you can store multiple files. Another thing, you can never store two files the same name in the same folder. But you can never store two files of the same name in same folder. Suppose I am making here new folder. Suppose I am making here new folder. Just do right click on desktop. See here new folder. Came बच्चे folder. In this folder, suppose I am now open this folder. One GAFIL file is here. Now Ritu, money and Wattpad. Now बच्चे open new folder. First one is Wattpad, second one is Ritu, third one is money and fourth one is GAFIL. Clear बच्चे? Four files are there in one folder. Clear? This is file. Wattpad is file, Ritu is file, money is file and GAFIL is file. But we stored all files in same folder, that is new folder. This is folder. File is a single file and folder is used for storing the multiple files. Clear बच्चे? But in same folder you can never store two files of the same name in the same folder. Clear? You of course may store two files with the same name in different folders but not in same folders. File names have two parts. File name usually have an extension. The extension of the file denotes what application the file can open under. बच्चे extension tells us which the type. Suppose बच्चे, see here I am clicking here word, open. Open W. बच्चे W tells us this is MS Word file. W means Word file. And extension. If in any file in last written .doc, that is .doc means document, that is MS Word file. Now this is MS Excel. MS Excel, now downside X coming, X means MS Excel opened. Now बच्चे file names have two parts. File name usually have an extension. बच्चे two parts means one name is file name and second one is extension. The extension of the file denotes what application of the file can open under. For example, abc.doc. See here, abc is a file name and .docx is a extension. Is a file with name abc. .docx is a file extension with name abc, and .docx implies it is a file which opens in MS Word. .doc means MS Word 2007 or later. def.txt is a file name with name def. Now here def is file name and .txt is the extension that opens in Notepad application. Because of Notepad, extension is .txt. Now बच्चे 3.4 finished.